Bonjour. This is the French Master GH. In today's video, we are going to learn how to use they, the personal pronouns they in French. In one of my previous lessons, I talked about the personal pronouns in French. And I said they are je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il and elle. So you have il with s and elle with s, which are being referred to as the they we are going to talk about today. They in French has both feminine and then the masculine side. In French, there are two ways of saying they, and this is because we have the female version of they and its male version too. In French, there are these two ways of saying they, and this is because we have the female version of they and its male version too. These are il with s and then elle. They all have s because they are plural personal pronouns. Remember that il without s is he, and elle without s is she. So when you add s to them, they become they. So il with s is they, elle with s is also they. Now il with s, which means they, is a third person plural personal pronoun, which is used to refer to a group of all males. Okay, so if you have 1,000 males and you want to refer to them as a third person, okay, as third person, you say they is il with s at the end. For example, we have Kofi et Kojo sont malades. Kofi et Kojo sont malades. You know, personal pronouns are used to replace nouns in a statement. If you don't want to repeat the nouns or names of people or places or even animals, so you use the personal pronouns to replace them. So if you want to replace Kofi et Kojo in the sentence Kofi et Kojo sont malades, Kofi et Kojo, they are all male, so we replace them with il with s, right? So ils sont malades. Ils sont malades. And this il is replacing Kofi et Kojo, which are all males. We take another example with Kofi et Kojo sont revenus. Or you can even say Kofi, Kojo et Achu sont malades. They are all male, so we are using il for them. Now we move straight to elle. Elle also means elle with s, right? It also means they. It's a third person personal pronoun plural, which is used to refer to a group of all females. A group of all females. Il with s is for a group of all males. Elle with s is for a group of all females. Example: Judith et Sarah sont partis. Judith et Sarah sont partis. So if I want to replace Judith and Sarah, if I want to replace the two, which are all females, I'll use elle with s. Okay, donc elles sont parties. Judith et Sarah sont partis. So I'll replace it with a personal pronoun. The right one will be elles sont parties. Now you have to note this. Beware that when you have a group of all females with even only one male, you must, I repeat, you must use il. This means that if I have a group of 1,000 females and only one male, you use il, not elle. Are you getting what I'm saying? When you have a large group number of females, but there's only even one male who is part of the group, you have to use il, not elle. So for instance, if I have Ama, Ajwa, Akosua et Kofi sont venus. Ama, Adjoa, Akosua et Kofi sont venus. If I want to replace Ama, Adjoa, Akosua et Kofi, I'll replace them with il, not elle. Not because there are more females than the male, so I'll use elle. No. Once there is only one male in it, we are going to use il. So, ils sont venus. Let me give you another example, right? Another example. Kofi et toutes ses sœurs sont arrivées. Kofi et toutes ses sœurs sont arrivées. So, Kofi and all his sisters have arrived. So, you know the sisters are more than Kofi. But because Kofi is a male and who is part of the group, we want to replace Kofi et toutes ses sœurs. So, Kofi et toutes ses sœurs will be replaced by il. So, we have ils sont arrivés. Ils sont arrivés. Ils sont arrivés. Merci, merci. Thank you so much for always watching my videos. Kindly like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share the video with all those people you think are interested in learning French the easy way. In this video, we learned how to use they in French, and we said there are two ways of saying they in French, which are il and elle. Il is for male, elle is for female. But when you have a large group which contains only one male, you use il for them. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir.